time. Even 1 second can make a world of difference. It can impact so many things. But what if you could get that time back? Studies show that collision avoidance technology could avert almost 30% of crashes. Mobileye's collision avoidance system gives you time to react. Mobileye's camera scans the road ahead and uses its IQ chip and computer vision algorithms to detect potential dangers, warning the driver with real-time alerts. Pedestrian and cyclist collision warning. Forward collision warning. Lane departure warning. Headway monitoring and warning. More than 27 million vehicles worldwide are equipped with Mobileye technology. Mobileye is a one-time investment, easy to install, and can be retrofitted to almost any vehicle. It seamlessly integrates with most telematics systems. When seconds count, real-time alerts make all the difference. Bring Mobileye to your fleet today. Visit mobileye.com/fleet.